Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to make a smooth camera follow. This is our basic game that I have created specifically for this tutorial. This is very basic. You just jump on the blocks just like this. Yeah, so now we want camera to follow our player, so we will simply create a script called camera follow. Yes. We will attach it to camera and we will quickly look at how we can make our camera follow to the player. We don't need these things. So first we will need one target kind of transform. So this is our target that camera will follow. Secondly, we will need a vector 3. This is our offset, so we can make an offset between the camera and our target. Secondly, we will need one float variable for the speed. This is our smooth speed to follow it smoothly, and the initialized value we will give it is 0.1. Now we will create a fixed update method and our method to follow the target is smooth follow. So this is our main method that will do the follow. Here we will create a local variable of kind vector 3 and we will name it target pose. So this is our target position plus offset. Now we will make it smooth follow because it will just like the teleportation, but we don't want that. We want the camera to follow smoothly. So what we'll need is smooth follow. Here we will use the log interpolation of vector 3. Speed log. Basically do the smooth transition between the one point to another. So our first point is our own position, it means transform.position, and we want to go to the target position, that is our target pose, right? And third property is the speed, like how often it will go through the process. Like so we will need smooth speed. Yeah, that's it. And lastly we will assign this value to the position. So this is our smooth follow. So this is very quick and we need to call it in fixed update. So smooth follow. So this is basically what all we need to do. This is our player that camera will follow, and second the offset that we will set on runtime, and this is our smooth speed. As you can see, this is very close. We want to make it like 13 and say 5. Yep, 5 is good. I guess a little bit higher. Yeah, that's good. So we will copy this component and paste it again here. So now if I play the game, as you can see, this is following our player very smoothly, but there's something missing. We should use the look at function to manage the rotation as well. So what we will do is we want to look at continuously on our target, right? So that is it. That all we want to do. Yeah, here is it. Did you notice that little bit of rotation? Yeah, thank you guys, that's it for this video, and do subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. See you again.